Okay. So, good evening, everyone. So, in yesterday's
Good
class,
evening.
good evening. So, in yesterday's class, we were discussing about chapter 8 journals. Today, I think, will be the last session for journals. And yesterday's class, we discussed question number 10 and 11, which were very different and important. Any doubt in yesterday's class, guys?
No, sir, no doubt.
Okay. Shambhavi, Sanjana, you were there in yesterday's class?
No,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Hmm?
Yes, sir. I am in the class yesterday.
Yeah, you were there. I think Dhanya was not there. Dhanya, Shambhavi, you were there in
I
class
was
yesterday?
not there. Yes, sir. I wasn't there.
Did you get a chance to look into the recording?
No, sir.
Okay. Why?
So the power came back today only,
Okay.
this
Fine.
morning.
Fine. So do check the recording, guys, because if you miss a class, yesterday's class was important. There were the difficulty level of question was high. Yeah, Danya.
No, sir, I raised my hand.
Sorry. You're saying something?
No, sir, I raised my hand by mistake.
Okay. Sure. Fine. Fine, guys. So let's start discussion on today's topic. Today, I think we will wind up this chapter. And when we wind up a particular chapter, please ensure that all the illustrations we are discussing, all the practical problems are also completed. Please ensure, guys. Clear? Fine.
Fine, sir, clear.
Okay. So let me start discussing today's chapter. I will share my screen. My screen is visible, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Thanks for confirming, guys. So we completed till illustration 11. Let us move forward now. Okay. Next topic is loss. It's about. Okay. Next topic, illustration 12. Let me discuss the concept first. Okay. There are 2-3 concepts we are going to discuss. Goods but destroyed by fire. About goods. Okay. One is goods given as charity. One is goods given as sample. Third is loss of stock due to fire. Okay, 3 concepts we are discussing, guys. Okay. See, when goods are given as charity or given as donation, or when goods are given as samples, or when goods are destroyed by fire. Okay. So whenever there are goods which are given on charity, what will happen, guys? What will happen? My purchases. See, when we have already discussed this point, loss of stock by fire. Whenever a loss of stock happens due to fire, we discussed this entry, I think, in the initial discussions for journals, whenever loss of stock happens by fire, what entry we pass? Loss. One second, someone is there. Okay. Whenever loss of goods happen because of fire, so for loss, increase in loss will be an expense. Loss by fire account debit to purchases account. Loss by fire account debit to purchases account. This is the accounting entry that we pass. Clear? Any doubt in that? This we have discussed. Why loss by fire is debited? Because increase in expense. Increase in expense. Why purchases? See, ultimately, whenever I make a purchase, it becomes part of my stock actually. The ideal entry previously I told it should not be purchases, it should be stock account actually. But for academic purposes, we are using purchases. Purchases is nothing but my decrease in purchases, that is why it is credited. Clear? Any doubt? Okay. Now, when goods are given as charity, when I give the same goods as charity, again the same accounting entry. Instead of loss by fire, I will put it as donation or charity account. Okay. Accounting entry will be donation account debit to purchases account. Donation account debit to purchases account. Or I can call it as charity also. This charity or donation is nothing but an expense for the company. Okay, this charity or donation is nothing but an expense for the company. Increase in expense has to be debited. Okay, this is nothing but a kind of expense. Donation or charity is an expense for the business. So this will be charity account or donation account debit to purchases account. Clear? Any doubt? Okay. Same logic for if goods are given as samples. See, mostly this happens in medical industry. Whenever, if you have seen many doctors, they get free samples of medicine, because the medicine suppliers, they want the doctor to recommend their medicine. So they get a lot of free samples. So in medicine and pharmaceutical industry, this is very common, giving free samples to doctors. It is very, very common. So what happens if someone gives a free sample for the business? It is what? Free samples is what? It is kind of an advertisement. It is kind of an advertisement or sales promotion It's kind of an advertisement or sales promotion. Advertisement or sales promotion account debit to what? To purchases account. So in all the cases, whether it's a free sample, whether it is a charity, or whether it's a loss by fire, accounting entry is similar. In case of charity, it is charity to purchases. In case of goods given as sample, it is advertisement or sales promotion account debit to purchases. In case of loss by fire, it is loss by fire account debit to purchases, guys. Any doubt? Simple?
Yes, sir. Symbol.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Fantastic. Now, when there is a loss by fire, now I'm giving some numbers to it, assuming there is a loss by fire of 10,000 rupees. There is a loss by fire of 10,000 rupees, and I have lodged an insurance claim. I am telling the insurance company on lodging an insurance claim. I am thinking that I will get this 10,000 rupees from the insurance company. Okay. So my accounting entry will be what? I am thinking insurance company will give me the claim. Insurance company account debit to loss by fire. Entire 10,000 rupees on lodging this claim, I will pass this entry. On lodging this claim, I will pass an entry. Insurance company account debit to loss by fire. Now, insurance company gives only 8,000 rupees as claim. So what happens? I cancelled my loss by fire. I cancelled my loss by fire thinking that insurance company will give me the loss by fire of 10,000 rupees. I debited insurance company. Why I debited insurance company? Increase in asset. Insurance company will become my debtor. I thought I will get the claim of 10,000 rupees. But I got only how much? 8,000 rupees. So accounting entry will be bank account debit. How much I got? 8,000 rupees. How much I could not get? Again, it will be loss by fire account. Out of 10,000, I am now getting a loss of 2,000. And to what? Insurance company. How much? 10,000. Clear? Actually, this is the recommended scheme of entries in books, but we don't do it like that. In practical, we don't do it like that. This is the recommended scheme of entries in book, but in practical, we do it little differently. Okay. Okay. In practical, we do it little differently, but no worries. For now, you can just remember loss by fire account debit to purchase. This entry will remain same. If we have an insurance claim, we will put entire amount as insurance claim, insurance company account debit to loss by fire, because I'm thinking that I will get the entire claim from the insurance company. And second, when I receive it, I am only getting 8,000 out of 10,000. So again, 2,000 will become a loss to me. 8,000 rupees will be bank account debit, increase in asset. Insurance company decrease in asset, because I debited here, I'm crediting my insurance company here. Any doubt? Okay. Generally, practically, we don't put the second entry, guys. We don't assume that the insurance company will give me everything. Okay. So whatever we get, the third entry we put bank account debit to whatever the insurance company will give, I will take it to income actually. First, I will debit all the loss, but this is okay because I have to register a claim against the insurance company account debit to loss by fire. Now, out of 10,000, I got only 8,000 rupees, bank account debit 8,000, loss by fire account debit 2,000, to insurance company how much? 10,000 rupees. Any doubt? If I get the entire insurance claim, if this is option 1, option 2, if I get the entire insurance claim, then option 2, if entire insurance claim is received, then it is very simple. I had a debtor called insurance. Entry will be bank account debit. How much? Entire amount 10,000 rupees to insurance company. How much? Entire 10,000 rupees insurance company has given me. There is no loss in this case. There is no loss by fire in this case, because whatever was the loss has been compensated by the insurance company. Clear? Any doubt? So first time what I am doing, this entry I have to pass loss by fire to insurance. Now, if I am having an insurance, what I will do, I will debit the insurance company for the entire amount, credit loss by fire. My loss by fire will become 0. Because I debited loss by fire, I created loss by fire has become 0. Now I will wait for the insurance company, whether they are giving me full claim or partial claim. If they give me full partial claim, accounting entry will be bank account debit 8,000, loss by fire will be 2,000, to insurance company will be 10,000. If I get full claim, then there is a no loss, bank account debit to insurance company will be my accounting entry. Clear? Any doubt? Clear?
No doubt, sir. No doubt.
Okay. Note it down, guys. It will be good if you can take notes along with me. Although I'm sending the notes to you after the class, but also try taking down the notes actually. This is the concept for loss by fire, and what happens if I get full insurance amount? What happens if I get partial insurance amount? Clear? Let us take, in this background, let us take question illustration number 12. Illustration 12. Goods purchased. There are 5. Date is not given. Serial number 1. Okay. First accounting entry is goods purchased for 5,000 were used by the proprietor for personal purposes. Goods used by the proprietor for personal purposes. What is the accounting entry, guys?
Sir,
Personal
drawings
purposes.
account debit to purchase account.
Yes, drawings account debit to purchase account. How much is that amount? 5,000.
5,000.
I'm missing something. Did I miss something?
No. Being
This is-
goods used for personal
Narration,
purposes.
sir.
Narration.
Clear, guys? This is accounting entry number 1. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Sir, journal.
In this, there is nothing given. So we can just mention as journal. Books are not given, guys.
Oh.
Books are not given. So we can just
So if
mention.
it is not given, so just we write journal.
Yes, we can only write journal. Journal of Ram Sham. We don't know. Clear?
Okay, sir, clear.
Goods sold in transit. Goods sold in transit. Sorry, goods stolen in transit. I could have sold that goods for 8,000. The cost of the goods is 6,000. So what is my loss? My loss is only the cost of the goods. Clear? Something which I have not sold, I should not be worried about. So what is my loss here? My loss is only the cost of the good. The sale price is only to confuse you guys. The sale price is only to confuse you. So accounting entry will be what? Loss of stock in transit. Account debit to what? To purchases. Amount will be how much, guys? 6,000 or 8,000? 6,000 or 8,000? What is the amount for which I should pass the journal entry? 6,000 or 8,000?
Sir, cost is
Cost. Yes. I think Sanjana, there is a lot of disturbance in your network. Yeah, the amount is 6,000 because my cost of the goods that I am losing is only 6,000. So I should record this transaction at cost, being goods stolen in transit. Clear, guys? Any doubt? Any doubt?
no, sir. No doubt.
Goods uninsured for 3,000. Uninsured. It is not insured. Cost is 3,000. Were destroyed by fire. Destroyed by fire. Accounting entry is loss of stock by fire. Account debit to
purchase
account.
of rupees 3,000, sir. 3,000.
Okay. Rupees 3,000. Any doubt?
Of rupees 3,000, sir.
3,000 only I mentioned.
In narration, being goods destroyed by fire, being not insured, sir.
Being good destroyed by fire. Clear? Any doubt?
No
Yes,
doubt, sir.
No,
Good.
sir.
Fourth question. Goods costing. Cost of the goods is 1,000. Damaged by fire. and insurance company accepted claim of 800 and check is received from the insurance company. Okay, so first I will come serial wise. Allow me to complete this for all of you guys. First is loss of stock by fire, account debit to purchases account. What is the cost of the good, guys? What is the cost of the good? 1,000 rupees.
1,000 rupees, sir. Just
1,000 rupees. Narration is being goods lost by fire. Being goods
Goods
destroyed
destroyed
by fire. Accounting entry number 1 is over. Now what will I do?
Accounting entry number 2, sir.
Yeah, I will think that entire 1,000 rupees I will get from the insurance company. I am thinking entire 1,000 rupees I will get from the insurance company. So what I will do, I will make insurance company as my debtor. Insurance company account debit. Insurance company account debit to what? To loss by fire. I am thinking my loss will become 0 because I will get the entire claim. I will get the entire claim. This is at the time of lodging the claim. At the time of lodging the claim, being accounting entries, being insurance claim lodged. Being insurance claim lodged means I have filed my claim with the insurance. Being insurance claim lodged with the insurance company. Being insurance claim lodged with whom? With insurance company. Okay. So I am what I am doing? I am making my loss as 0. Now my loss has become 0. 1,000 rupees debit loss by fire, 1,000 rupees credit loss by fire. My loss by fire has become 0 because I am thinking entire 1,000 rupees I will receive from the insurance company. Clear? Any doubt? Now there are two possibilities. Either I will get the entire amount. If I get entire amount, I will break this into two. Option 1, just for option 1, entire claim is received. Entire, I'm giving an additional option in this question, guys. If entire claim is received, accounting entries, bank account debit to insurance company. Amount will be 1,000 and 1,000. Accounting entry is being entire claim received from insurance company. This is my additional question part. I am introducing this additional part. The question is not telling, I am introducing. Assuming I get entire claim, accounting entry will be bank account debit to insurance company. Clear? Now what is the question telling? The question is telling 800 insurance company accepted claim of 800 and check is received from the insurance company. Only 800 I received. Okay. This is the actual answer. Option 2, as per the question. As per question, how much I get? Bank account debit. I am not getting 1,000, guys. I am getting how much? 800. To insurance company. To insurance company. My debtor will reduce by 1,000. Remaining 200 rupees will be called as, remaining 200 rupees will be my actual loss by fire. Loss by fire account debit. Actual loss by fire is, instead of 1,000, because I got the claim of 800, my actual loss has become now 200 only. It's not 1,000. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So they can either give you full claim received or they can give you partial claim received. In this question, partial claim was only given. I introduce one more option. Or I will put it as serial number 4. Okay, let it be like this. Being partial claim received from the insurance company. Any doubt? Okay. One more additional question, additional part I introduce in this question. If full claim is received, bank account debit to insurance company. If partial claim is received, bank account debit, loss by fire account debit to insurance company. 800, 200 and 1,000. Clear? Fantastic, guys. So this was illustration 12. Simple? Easy? let's move to the next one, guys. Illustration 12 is over. The next question is more on, again, I think it's the same question.
Okay.
We'll do illustration 13 also. This question, you should be in a position to do it on your own. You can help me with the answers, guys, because all the things I have already discussed, you can help me with the answers. My format will remain the same. Okay. Cash withdrawn by the proprietor for personal use. This one is very simple. What is the accounting entry, guys? Cash withdrawn by the proprietor for personal use. Accounting entry quickly, guys.
Drawings account debit to cash, sir.
Yeah.
Drawings account
Is there
debit to cash.
Yeah. In your network, there is a lot of disturbance. Drawings account debit to cash, how much is that? 2000.
2000, sir. 2000.
2000. Being
Cash
Amount.
withdrawn for personal use.
clear. This one is very easy. Next one. Goods purchased 5,000 were taken by the proprietor. Now it is
Sir,
drawing.
sir, bought means purchase, right? Which means drawings account data to purchase.
Yes. So whenever goods are taken by the proprietor, accounting entry will be, it will not be drawings account debit to cash account, it will be drawings account debit to purchases account. Okay. Second accounting entry will be what, guys? Drawings account debit to
Purchase.
to purchases account. Being
Rupees 5,000, sir.
being goods
Goods
withdrawn for personal use. Any doubt, guys?
Oh, sir.
Easy?
Yes, sir.
Can we go ahead? Yes. Paid 5,000 as life insurance premium. Whenever life insurance premium is always personal. It is nothing but what? It is nothing but drawings.
Drawings account data to cash. Same,
Yes, drawings
same,
account debit
same
to
method,
cash.
sir.
Being
Life
Life-
insurance
insurance premium
paid.
paid. Okay. Amount is how much, guys? 5,000. And 5,000. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Goods uninsured. Uninsured goods were destroyed by fire. Uninsured goods were destroyed by fire. Everything will become a loss to me. Loss by fire account debit. Loss by fire account debit. To what? To purchases account. Because it is uninsured, everything is a loss to me. How much is the loss, guys? 3,000. Always
3,000.
remember, whenever goods are destroyed by fire, only we have to consider the cost price. If the sale price is given, ignore the sale price. Sale price will be only to confuse you. Clear? Whenever there is a loss of stock will always happen at cost price, not at sale price. Clear? So being goods lost by fire. Simple narrations, guys. Easy narrations. Next one. Fifth.
Goods
Goods
costing
costing 1,000. One
1,000
second.
rupees are damaged by fire and insurance
Pranav,
company accepts
Pranav.
that.
I am
Sorry,
not
sir, just reading through.
Yeah. Goods costing 1,000 damaged by fire and insurance company accepted claim of 800. and check is received from the insurance company. This is exactly the same as we did in the last question, right? Exactly same. 1,000 rupees goods destroyed by fire, 800 rupees claim received. Now you can go ahead. Yes, Pranav. Tell me the first accounting entry. Loss by fire account debit to what? 3 entries will come, guys. 3 entries will come. What is the first entry?
Sir, insurance company and
First entry, I am talking about the first entry. Loss by fire account debit to
purchase.
To purchase account. Why
To
this
purchase account,
entry?
sir.
Why this entry? Because entire 1,000 rupees I am recording as a loss at this stage. Entire 1,000 rupees I am recording as a loss, being goods lost by fire. Being goods lost by fire. Next accounting entry, I will go to the insurance company and ask for a claim. So when I lodge my claim, insurance company will become my debtor. Insurance company account debit, it will become my debtor. I'm thinking that I will get entire 1,000 rupees, and my loss by fire will become 0 to loss by fire account, because I am thinking my insurance company will give me entire claim. So I'm nullifying the loss now. I'm canceling my loss, being insurance claim lost, being insurance. At this moment, my loss has become 0. 1,000 rupees I suffered loss. I debited my loss. 1,000 rupees I credited my loss, because I am thinking insurance company will give me full claim. Clear? Now what has happened? I am getting only 800 rupees. 800 rupees. So accounting entry will be bank account debit 800. How much is my loss now? Loss by fire will be
Last 200, sir.
200 rupees, and to
200
insurance
rupees
company will be
to insurance company 1,000, sir.
to insurance company will be 1,000. Being
Wait a second.
any doubt, guys? Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Good. Next one,
No
guys.
doubt, sir.
Next one is very simple. Goods costing 500. Sale price is 600, guys. Sale price is 600. I am giving as charity. Goods costing 500. Sale price is 600. I am giving as charity. Accounting entry, guys. Quickly. What is the accounting entry? Accounting entry, guys. Quick. Tell me, guys.
Charity account data to purchase.
Yes. Charity account debit to purchases.
Purchase.
500 or 600?
Sale
price is 600.
500, sir. 500.
500 or 600?
So 500, sir.
500. Because I will always, whenever a transaction, whenever I'm giving something or I'm losing something, it will be always happening at cost price, not at sale price. Clear? Being goods given on charity. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Last one, guys.
Okay.
Sold household furniture. Proprietor is selling his personal furniture, not business furniture. Personal furniture. Personal furniture he is selling. The proceeds were invested into business. After selling personal furniture, he got 5,000 rupees. That 5,000 rupees is invested into the business. What is the accounting entry, guys? Personal furniture sold, 5,000 rupees received, 5,000 rupees is invested into the business. What is the accounting entry?
Cash account debit to capital.
Why cash account debit to capital?
Because furniture is not an asset.
Fantastic.
Excellent explanation. Furniture is
It is also called
No, sir, not that, sir. Sold
gain,
furniture,
sir.
sir.
Gain. It is
No.
also called as gain, sir. Gain.
No, it is not a gain, guys. Understand this. This is little technical. If I'm selling my personal furniture, first of all, is it a business asset or a personal asset?
A
Is it a
personal asset,
business?
sir. Personal asset.
Personal.
Personal asset.
This personal asset I'm converting to cash.
Okay.
So the whole story behind furniture is irrelevant. What is coming into the business? Cash is coming into the business. In what form cash is coming? It is coming into the business in the form of capital. Whether he sells his furniture or sells his house or sells his car, all the story is irrelevant. That is only to, it's only to
It's only two.
make you for the students to make a mistake. All the stories is given so that students commit a mistake. So whether he sells his, I will come to you, Sanjana. Whether the businessman sells his furniture, jewelry, building, all the stories is irrelevant. Ultimately, what he is bringing into the business, cash. And what it is in the form of capital. So accounting entry is cash account debit to capital account. Clear? Yes, Sanjana, you have a doubt?
Sir, as the journal entry is cash account debit to capital account.
Yes, the journal entry is cash account debit to.
Sir, as the journal entry is cash account debit to capital, it is also called as additional capital in journal.
Yes, it is. It can be additional capital. We don't know actually. There is no first capital entry which has come into the business. It is always, it can be treated as additional capital also. But whether it is additional capital or new capital, accounting entry remains the same. Clear?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Being capital introduced into the business. So
Introduced to the business.
all the story about furniture is irrelevant. It is not sale of furniture. If it is a business asset, it is sale of furniture. If it is a personal asset, personal transactions are not recorded in the business, right? Personal transactions are not recorded in the business. It's not furniture of the business. It is a personal furniture. So personal furniture, when it is converted into cash, what is coming into the business? Cash is coming in the business, and capital of the proprietor is increasing. Cash account debit to capital. Clear? Anyone
Yes,
has
sir.
a doubt in this?
Amount is 5,000, sir. 5,000.
5,000. Anyone has a doubt in this?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Underline the word personal furniture. Underline the word personal furniture. That is where you guys can make a mistake. Okay. That is why it is cash account debit to capital account. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Let us move to illustration 14. My target is to complete this chapter today. Tomorrow, we will discuss ledger. In tomorrow's class, we'll discuss ledger. Illustration 14. Almost same illustration, guys. I don't see anything new when I see this illustration. I think all of you guys should be in a position to tell me the journal entries on your own. First one, received 19,000 from Sham. Received 19,000 from Sham on his account for 20,000. Okay. Received 90,000 from Sham on his account for 20,000. Okay. Now, anywhere is it mentioned that it is a full settlement?
No, sir.
So the amount that is used 20,000, is only to confuse you. They are telling he has to pay you 20,000, but he is paying 19,000, not as full settlement. Tomorrow he will pay me another 1,000 rupees. Today he is paying 19,000. Tomorrow he will pay another 1,000. Anywhere, if in this question, if it is mentioned full settlement, that means tomorrow he will not pay. If it is full settlement means tomorrow he will not pay. So anywhere is it used the word received 19,000 from Sham on his account for 20,000. Means for 20,000 he is paying me 19,000 today. Doesn't mean that he will not pay 1,000 tomorrow. He will pay another 1,000 maybe at a later date. Clear? Clear? Don't mistake it as discount given. Don't mistake it as discount given. The wording 20,000 is given only to confuse you, because most of the student will mention as discount allowed account debit. It's not discount allowed. So amount received from Sham is what? Cash account debit or bank account debit. We can use anything, guys. I am assuming we received in cash. I am assuming we have received in cash. If it is received in check, it will be bank account debit. Both can be used. Either cash account being amount received from
Sham.
Sham. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Next question. Received 19,000 from Bharat in settlement. The word used is in settlement. That means he will not pay me again. He will not pay me again. In case of Sham, he paid 19,000 out of 20,000. 1,000 he may pay me later. But in case of Bharat, it is in settlement of his account for 20,000. That means the remaining 1,000, I am never going to receive the remaining 1,000. So I am receiving 19,000 against 20,000. The 1,000 will be called as 1,000 will be my expense, will be my loss. Cash account debit. I will get only 19,000. Sham account will be, to Bharat account will be settled for entire 20,000 because it's a full settlement. For entire 20,000, the account will be settled.
And the discount allowed is involved.
1,000 will be called as discount allowed. It will become a loss to me. Increase in expense.
And it's equal to 1,000.
Why discount allowed is debited? Increase in loss.
Loss
or
expenses
to be
debited.
Okay. What is the narration? Being amount
received from Bharat in settlement.
Amount received from Bharat in full settlement. In
full settlement.
Full settlement of 20,000. How much is the amount received?
19,000.
19,000. Are you getting the difference between point number 1 and 2, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. The first one is a on account payment. On account payment does not mean full settlement. He will pay me 1,000 later. The second one is a full settlement. He will never pay me again. Clear? Third one. Paid 9,000 to Mohan on his account. Ulta case, opposite case. I am paying 9,000 to Mohan on his account. Mohan account debit to? I am paying now. Business is paying to Mohan. Mohan account debit to? Cash account. Is it on account or full settlement? On account. That means I will have to pay in future also to him. I will have to pay in future also to him. 1,000 rupees I will pay in future. Being amount paid to Mohan. In future, I will pay the remaining amount. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Sohan paid 9,000 to Sohan in full settlement. I am telling Sohan, boss, I know I have to pay you 10,000, but keep 9,000 as a full settlement. It is not an on-account payment. It is a full settlement. That means I am not going to pay to Sohan again in future. So for the business, it is an income or expense?
only.
Income, sir.
Sohan account debit. Sohan account I am closing for 10,000. By paying only how much? By paying only how much? Paying only 9,000. 10,000 account I am settling for 9,000. So for the business it is discount received 1,000. Any doubt? Any doubt, guys?
No, sir.
No doubt, sir.
Being cash paid to Sohan 9,000 in full settlement of 10,000. Any doubt, guys? Clear? What is the next one? Goods costing 3,000. 3,000 worth of cost of goods given as sample. Sale price is 4,000. Is sale price relevant here? Is sale price relevant here? Not relevant. Okay. Only cost price is relevant.
Cost
Account
price investment.
and accounting entry will be, I can use either advertisement or I can use sales promotion. Sales promotion account debit. It is called as sales promotion. Sales promotion account debit to purchases. How much, guys? 3,000 or 4,000? Always at cost price. Always at
3,000,
always
sir.
at
3,000.
always at cost price. Cost is 3,000. Being goods given as free samples. See, whenever I give free sample, that is called as sales promotion. That is called as sales promotion. Clear? Any doubt? Next one, sixth. Paid income tax by check. Income tax. So many times we have discussed this. Income tax is personal. Income tax is personal. Accounting entry is drawings account debit to cash account. How much? 20,000. Being income tax paid. Being it is a personal expense, guys. It is a personal expense. That is why we call it as drawings. It's a deduction in capital. Clear? Next one. Paid life insurance premium by check. Paid life insurance premium by check. Same.
Drawings account debit to bank account.
Yes. Here, oh, income tax was by check, guys. Nobody corrected me. Should I use cash or should I use bank?
Bank.
Bank.
Why
Bank
no
or
one
bank,
corrected?
sir. Bank they
Why
ask, sir.
no one corrected me?
Sorry, sir.
Yes.
Bank.
Drawings account
No,
debit
no,
to
bank is involved, sir.
yes. That is why I'm asking why no one corrected me.
Okay.
Sorry,
Life-
sir.
Being
No
life
problem.
insurance premium paid.
Life insurance premium paid by check. Being
Life insurance premium
life insurance premium paid. How much? 5,000. Okay. See, it is also possible that I may read a question wrongly. So you guys now know all the concept. So you can always tell me, sir, check is given. We should use bank account. We should not use cash account. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Goods destroyed by fire. Sale price is 5,000.
Loss-
Cost is
Loss by
4,000.
loss by
sale
fire
price-
account debit to purchase.
Yes, loss by fire account debit to purchases. Very good. Which amount? What is the amount I should use? Sale price or cost price? Always,
Cost price.
always cost price. Always cost price.
always
by-
cost price.
Loss by fire account debit to purchases. Because I am not selling. What is my loss? My loss is only the purchase that I have done. My loss is only the purchase I have done. Purchase I have always done at cost price, not at sale price. That is the reason why we use cost price. How much is the amount, guys? 4,000.
4,000, sir. 4,000.
4,000 and 4,000. Being goods lost by fire. Give me a moment, guys. Give me a moment. 1 second, guys. Yes. Sorry, guys. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay. See, we are towards the end of this chapter. I'm very happy that you're finding journal entries easy. If this chapter is easy to you, the remaining chapters, I can ensure that those chapters also will become very easy to you. Journal entries is the basic. Any doubt in debits and credits, guys?
No doubt, sir.
No? Fantastic, guys. Okay. Now, illustration 14. We have completed till illustration 14. Now, illustration 15. Okay. Before coming to illustration 15, I will give you a small concept, guys. Let me stop sharing my screen for a second. Okay. See, the next one is on purchase of fixed assets. One small concept I will give it to you. Whenever we purchase a fixed asset, for example, I am purchasing AC. I am purchasing AC for 40,000 rupees. When I purchase an AC from a electronic showroom, I have to bring the AC to my home, right? So 40,000 rupees is the AC. To bring the AC from showroom to my office, I have incurred 1,000 rupees. I have incurred 1,000 rupees to bring the AC to my office. Now, can I use the AC? Can I use the AC? I have to install the AC, right? To install the AC, I have paid another 2,000 rupees. 40,000 purchase price, 1,000 rupees to bring the AC to my office, and 2,000 rupees to install the AC. Only after installation, I will be in a position to use the AC. Right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Can I use the AC after spending 40,000? No. Can I use the AC after spending 41,000? That means my AC has been brought to my office. Can I use the AC? No. I can only use the AC after I spend 40,000 for purchase, 1,000 rupees for conveyance for bringing the AC to my office, and 2,000 rupees for installation. So the price that I will capitalize the AC, will I capitalize the AC, my AC account debit or my furniture, assuming this is a furniture, so furniture account debit, 40,000 should be the amount or 43,000 should be the amount. Or okay, take it AC only because AC only requires installation. My AC should be capitalized at 40,000 or 43,000. What is the amount I should debit my asset? My asset should be debited by 40,000 or 43,000. Anyone? Any guess?
43,000.
43,000. You are absolutely right. Because any cost which I incur to make the AC running, all those costs has to be capitalized. So I will capitalize my AC with 40,000 for purchase price, 1,000 rupees to bring the AC to my office, plus 2,000 rupees for installation. So my air conditioner account debit to bank account will be 43,000. Air conditioner account debit to bank account will be 43,000. Clear? Any doubt? You will be surprised to know there is an accounting standard called property, plant and equipment that talks about all these things are dealt in.
Sorry, your video is talking, sir.
One account.
Sir, your
Your
video
video is
is
stuck,
stuck,
that's
sir.
why, sir. That's why I asked. Oh, sorry.
I got stuck.
That's what I asked, that's why. Yes, sir, you are
Yes,
audible.
sir.
Am I audible now? Yeah. Amount at which AC to be capitalized will be air conditioner account debit to cash account will be 43,000. Clear, guys? Any doubt?
No doubt,
Okay.
sir. No doubt.
This is the concept for fixed assets purchase. Clear? Now let me share this question. We can do the next question now. Illustration 15. See, same thing applies for any other asset. I gave an example only for AC. Anything which requires installation cost has to be added to the purchase price. Anything which requires to bring the asset to the office, that cost has to be added. So in short, any cost which is required to operate the asset for the first time, all such costs will be added to the asset. Clear, guys? That is the concept. With this concept, let's do illustration number 15. Almost close to the end of this chapter. We have, I think, few more illustrations left. Almost we are nearing closure, guys. Okay. Illustration 15. Okay, guys. One question before I start this illustration. I only discuss illustration in my classes. What about the practical problems, guys? Are you doing it honestly, all the practical problem? Attempting all
Yes,
the
sir.
practical.
Yes.
Sir, what, sir?
Sir, you again got stuck, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, what you said, sir?
No, I'm telling I discuss only the illustrations in classroom because all the practical problems are exactly similar. You will not find anything new in the practical problem. Are you all doing all the practical problem honestly? Are you practicing without leaving any single practical problem? Are you doing it, guys?
Yes, sir.
Have you
Yes,
have you
sir.
done till
Yes.
chapter 7? Everything is completed.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fantastic, guys. And today, when I complete journal, all the practical problem for journals, please ensure that you complete. Any doubt that you're having, I will take it up, guys. I will ensure that all the doubts are solved. But you have to solve all the practical problems, guys. Then only from your side, the chapter will get over.
Okay,
Clear?
sir.
Yes,
Clear.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay,
Clear,
do
sir.
not leave a single practical problem, guys. If we get a hold of TS Grewal, then you can be on top of accounts, guys. Clear? Fine.
Clear, sir.
Good. So let me do illustration 15, guys. Any doubt, always feel free to ask me, guys. I'm happy to solve any doubt that you have. Purchase building and issued check 15 lakh. Very simple, guys. Building I am purchasing. Here date they have given. Building I am purchasing. Accounting entry will be quickly, guys. You should not take this much time. Accounting entry for building purchase will be
Building account debit.
Building account debit. Definitely, I will not be purchasing to
Building account debit to bank, sir.
bank
Banks.
account. I will not purchase a building by paying payment of cash. 15 lakhs.
15 lakhs. Here 15 lakhs.
Being
Being building purchase and
Being building purchased by
So something is coming from Sanjana.
yes, guys. One of the line is not clear. Okay, building account debit to bank account. Purchase machinery from Remsen Chandigarh on credit. 2 lakh rupees machinery purchase on credit, guys. On credit. Accounting entry.
Machinery account debit to Remsan Chandigarh.
Yes, to Remsen is enough. How much? 2 lakh and 2 lakh.
2 lakh and 2 lakh, sir. Being machinery purchased by Ramsar from Ramsar.
Next one, guys. Bought furniture from Hindi traders for cash. In cash.
Account data to cash.
In cash. In cash means the name of the dealer is not important to me. Account entry is how much?
10,000.
Being furniture purchased in cash.
Being furniture purchase in cash.
Next one. Next one is what? Bought computers from HP. Bought computers from HP and amount paid by internet transfer. Internet transfer is nothing but GPay or something, whatever it is. Paid by internet transfer. 20th May. That means paid through bank account. In simple words, paid through bank account. What did I purchase? Computer. Computer account debit to. I'm making a online transfer to bank account. How much? Being computer purchased. Sanjana, you have to go on mute, please. This is on 20th May. Paid cash for installation of machinery. Paid cash for installation of machinery, guys. I was discussing this point. AC installation. AC installation. What did I debit?
Machinery and cash involved, sir. So machinery will be debited.
Paid cash for installation of machinery. So
machinery is involved and cash is involved.
yes.
So machinery account debit to cash.
Why I am debiting machinery? Because without installation, I cannot use the machinery.
Yes,
So
sir.
it is not installation charges, it is machinery account. It is machinery account. Very, very important concept.
Cash is going out, sir.
Yes. Machinery account debit. Machinery account debit.
To cash account, sir.
Why I am debiting machinery? Because without
Because
installation, we can't use it. So it has to be capitalized as part of the purchase cost. If machinery was 50,000, installation is 2,500, my accounting entry will be for 52,500. Clear? Here they have not given the purchase price, they have directly given installation cost. So we are worried about only about installation cost. So being installation cost paid for machinery. Any doubt?
No, sir.
25th May. 25th May. Bricks, cement, etc. for 1,50,000 and timber for 2 lakh purchase for renovation of building. It is, I am purchasing brick, I am purchasing cement, I am purchasing timber. ultimate objective is renovation of building. So am I purchasing brick, timber, and cement? Whatever I am purchasing, my ultimate objective is to see a good building, right? So whatever expenses I am incurring for purchase of brick, cement, and timber, that will ultimately lead to an asset called building. So everything put together will be building only. Accounting entry will be building account debit to. I will not put brick account debit. I will not put brick account debit. I will not put cement account debit. I will not put timber account debit, because this brick, cement, and timber ultimately will become what? Building. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Building account debit to
Bank, sir. Bank.
Any expenses incurred to bring the asset, to create an asset, all those expenses will be capitalized as asset only, not as individual cement, brick. It will not be capitalized as cement, brick, and all. It will ultimately form part of building. Amount is how much? 3 lakhs. Any doubt, guys? This is an important concept again.
No doubt, sir. No doubt.
Being cement, timber,
Brick.
and brick purchase for construction of building. Purchase for construction of building.
Renovation.
Purchase for renovation of building. Any doubt, guys?
No, sir.
So
No
this
doubt, sir.
completes my illustration 15, guys. We are moving ahead now. Illustration 16. Okay. See, before that, in our book, there are few concepts given, guys. Let me discuss those concepts. Okay. Outstanding expenses. Outstanding expenses we have discussed a lot of times. What is an outstanding expenses? Expenses which is incurred but not paid. Incurred but not paid. Accounting entry for outstanding expenses is, if it is salary outstanding, accounting entry will be salary account debit to salary payable. Increase in expense and increase in liability. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Prepaid expenses. Prepaid expenses is, I am paying something in advance. I am paying something in advance. Accounting entry will be what? Prepaid expenses account debit. Accounting entry will be what? Prepaid expenses account debit to expenses account. Prepaid expenses account debit to expenses account. Why expenses account is crediting? Because generally I pay insurance for 12 months. But not entire 12 months will come in this financial year. If I pay insurance expense in the month of January to March will come in this financial year. April to December will come in next financial year. So what I do is, whenever I make a prepaid expenses for 12 months, for this financial year, we have to pass an entry. Prepaid expenses account debit to relevant expenses account. Only for the portion which is in advance pertaining to next year. 3 months will go in expense in the current year. 9 months will be treated as advance. It will reduce my expenses for this year. Clear? So accounting entry will be prepaid expenses account debit to expenses account. Only for the portion of advance. Clear? We'll discuss this when we go to the journal entry. Similarly, for insurance premium, prepaid insurance premium account debit to insurance premium. You can refer your book, guys. Page number 8.39 of T.S. Grewal. Page number 8.39 of T.S. Grewal is what I am discussing now. 8.39 of T.S. Grewal. We discussed outstanding expenses. Expenses account debit to outstanding expenses. Prepaid expenses will be prepaid expenses account debit to expenses account. Insurance premium will be prepaid insurance premium account debit to insurance premium account. Clear? This concept will be discussed in the last chapter. When we discuss final accounts, we will discuss in detail about this concept. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Accrued income. Accrued income is nothing but income which is earned but not received. Income which is earned but not received. Accounting entry is accrued income account debit to income account. Why accrued income is debited? Because I will receive that in future. Increase in asset.
Sir, I think your voice is. I can't hear your voice.
So your voice is
Yes,
not coming.
yes, Pranav. For me also.
Oh, okay.
Sir, your voice not hearing.
Sir, still not hearing, sir.
Yes, still not audible.
So I think there's some network issue of yours. Error is also coming.
I think so. Yeah, I think so.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No.
Still didn't hear it. No,
No,
sir.
sir, not audible.
No, sir. No, no improvement, sir.
Sir, did you mute or? Sir, did you mute?
No, bro. He didn't mute.
He didn't mute. How do? How? How? Who is not muted? He's not muted, I know.
He is now muted.
Yes. So, sir, I can't hear your voice, sir.
Yes. No. No improvement, sir.
Let's conclude the class here due to network issues. Let's conclude.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Okay, sir. Bye, sir.
What is happening here?